Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be assessing the condition of the body bolt mounting points. The car was delivered with all the bolts already removed, and before crawling underneath it, I've already noticed some issues with the trunk floor on the driver's side. Everything is disconnected with the exception of the rear brake rubber line, so the car is ready to be lifted from the frame to make any necessary repairs. This is the rearmost mounting point on the driver's side. You can see the cage surrounding the mounting plate is completely rotted away. I'm going to cut away some of the rotten floor and assess the condition of the rear trunk brace, then figure out how to repair. This is the next mount forward on the driver's side. From the looks of it, it's going to require a bit more work. Okay, this forward trunk brace is pretty rough. I'm going to need to make a new brace section that goes over the body bushing. I'll probably keep what I can of the original brace, just make a new box to contain the nut. I got to make sure that I have the correct height where the bottom of the brace meets up with the bushing. The rear trunk brace appears to be in very good shape, except the cage is gone. I will probably make a larger mounting plate that will be too large to spin when tightening the bolt from underneath. I'm going to have to save this one for the next video. This is the position right behind the driver's door. Like the other two, the bolt is broken in the cage bolt plate. I'm going to lift the car and try to apply some heat to remove the stud. Now the area above is underneath the rear seat and the floor there is in perfect shape. The B-pillar is also in the way, so there's no way to just cut away the floor and try to remove the problem from that side. Anyway, please turn on notifications and subscribe to the channel for part 2. It should be coming shortly. Thanks a lot. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks.